Switzerland. For a sensational experience that will enchant you. It's no secret that there are stunning places in Switzerland brimming with charm. Anyone visiting Switzerland will be awed by its storybook landscape. With many incredible sights, it can be hard to pinpoint the prettiest place in Switzerland. Be enchanted by Switzerland's lush scenery of mountains, lakes, and beautiful villages. Let Switzerland's stunning architecture, rich heritage and rich culture captivate you. From land sports to water sports to air sports, Switzerland is an outdoor playground that has it all. Ski on some of the best slopes in the world while admiring the awestruck vistas that await you. Treat your taste buds to a burst of flavors in this gourmet paradise, and don't forget the cheese and chocolates. Revel in a variety of bars and music clubs for an unforgettable experience. An epic experience awaits you in this alpine beauty. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.